how are you all doing? Thank you for your love and support. We really appreciate you. If today is the first time you are coming across us, or you are seeing this face for the first time, please do well to like our videos and share. In this platform, we react to all videos and your opinion is highly needed. So please sit back, watch this video carefully, drop your opinion in the comment section, and I'll be right back.
Today, I told Nigerians before, at the appropriate time I was going to speak. But now that things are coming out, let me be revealing small to you people. So that you people will know the kind of country we are in. So that you know the kind of country we are in. And you know how to see yourself. Are you part of this country? You will now begin to know and ask yourself question. Am I part of this country? Are you said if the presidential candidate comes from the north, that he will resign by the convention of our party, that the candidate of our party, the chairman of our party, will come from the south. When the North Central met in the house of Governor Bala Muhammad, the governor of Bauchi State, he said so there. When he made the caucus of the Senate, he told them that when we finish our convention on a Saturday to Sunday, the candidate of the party came to see me in my house in Abuja on Monday, around 10:30 a.m. And that's what I don't like in this country. The candidate told me, I said, listen, I want us to work together. And then he said, look, you must go. I said, why? He said, because when a candidate comes from the north, the chairman will come from the south. And I'm saying, implement what you told me. What offense have I committed? What offense have I committed? And people are just, wicked. It is nothing to do with wicked. It has to do with integrity. This is what you told me. I challenge the presidential candidate to deny this. If he denies this, I go further to say so many things to Nigerians. Because enough is enough. We can't continue this way. They have today told the BOT chairman to resign. Who is talking about chairman of BOT? What is the role of the BOT? BOT is an advisory body. We have never zoned BOT. BOT is an advisory body. BOT is not a decision-making body. Those who run, as it is today, is the presidential candidate or president and chairman of the party. The chairman of the party and the candidate or president, as the case may be, are those who will sit down and take decision. The candidate is from the north. The chairman is from the north. Who will represent the south in decision making? You have taken the president. We have agreed, yes. You can't take the two major positions of a party. You cannot do that. And some psychophants do not understand. All they're interested is going to run out after them, put me in the campaign council. We should forget about greed. What has killed Nigeria are leaders who cannot keep to their integrity, who cannot honor what they have told people. That is what about the problem. Look at the insult. You have told the BOT chairman to resign. So you know, you are not agreeing with us that this thing cannot be in one place. But what we are saying, the position we are talking about, which all of us agree, is the chairman of the party. It's not about BOT. One ex-general went to see the BOT chairman, and the candidate went to see him, say, look, resign. We'll give advisory. What is advisory? When the BOT position already is advisory, what advisory position are you going to give him? That is to insult us. The chairman and the president candidate or the president will meet. They take a decision. Nobody represents us. Just wait. Pray. Let them win. Then you will see. You just watch. Why are they being arrogant? Why are they being so arrogant? I can tell you, they're arrogant because they believe somebody in the presidency is backing them. But what they don't understand, the same person in the presidency back somebody as APC presidential aspirant and the person failed. I will tell Nigerians the appropriate time. Who is that person in the presidency that's backing them, that being arrogant? You can't be arrogant to us. You can't. You can't be arrogant to what I have. You can be arrogant to what you have. But this one we have, you cannot. I will continue to fight this fight. This injustice is enough. We cannot continue to swallow this. Once the election is won, the chairman and the candidate who has emerged are those who will sit down and talk about who takes what goes where. They've already taken who will be Senate president. Which one have they given you? They want to take our vote. Will I be chairman of party? What Wike is saying, keep to the agreement. Agreement is agreement. Agreement is agreement.
Hey, wonders shall never end. You guys know Governor Wike very well, that he's so outspoken. But do you know the funniest thing that surprised me is that these people, they indirectly pass that message to Nigerians. They say things the way things are supposed to be when there is a conflict between them. Hear the statement of the governor. He said he want to tell Nigeria who is the president in Asorock that is backing up these people. Who is the president in Asorock? This is a message that he is trying to pass to you. But the truth of the matter is, time without number, we form deaf ears as if we don't hear these things. We form deaf ears as if we don't understand the situation. We know the present situation already. That is why a lot of people are not shining their energy to say there is no election in Biafra land. Because you can see the wuru-wuru on it already. You can see the handwriting already on the wall. Do you really need a prophet to talk to you? No. This is the sign of what is about to take place. This is the sign that the election is already a sold out. This is a sign that election don't work free and fair in Nigeria. That is why a lot of people are saying they are tired of all this scam. They are tired of all this talk and frustrating the people. They are tired. The best thing is just for the country to be divided. Let the people that feel they are marginalizing them, let them go. So you heard it already from Governor Wike. A lot is yet to be said. And we know that a lot will unfold. This is no different between what Mazi Simon Ekpa always say every time. These are some of the exposition. These are some of the reasons why people are saying election is a scam. Look at it. Governor Wike is here to tell you more than you need to know. So my realistic people, please do well to share this video, like and subscribe. Things are happening and we are watching them closely. Thank you very much and bye-bye.